Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Llama 3 is a latest eh, Llama 3 is Meta's latest open source AI model, and some users say it's faster, smarter, and more customizable than ChatGPT 4. And the best part, you can use it for free. In this video, I will show you step by step how to use Llama 3 right now. Even without coding, let's dive in. Llama 3 stands for Large Language Model Meta AI. It's an open source AI model that you can run on websites, on your PC, on your own PC, or even on your phone. Think of it like ChatGPT but more flexible and with zero cost if you know where to look. The easiest way to try Llama 3 is through websites that host the model for free. One of the best is chat.llamas.org. This lets you chat with multiple models side by side, including Llama 3. Just pick Meta Llama 370, instruct from the model drop-down and start chatting. No login, no setup, and it's completely free to use. So go to chat.lmsays.org or go to Llama 3, open the app. You can download the models from here, or another amazing way is through perplexity.ai. It uses Llama 3 for deep answers. It uses Llama 3 for deep answers and real-time web searches. It's fast, accurate, and built into a powerful interface that feels smarter than GPT in some tasks. Just ask anything, research summaries, coding help, and see how sharp the responses are. Want full control and privacy? Run Llama 3 on your own computer. Download LM Studio from lmstudio.ai. lmstudio.ai. Then download LM Studio for Windows. Then install the application. Wait for download. After installing, you can use Llama 3. It's an code editor. So after installing, go to the Models tab from the uh, Llama LM Studio. Search Llama 3 8 instruct, download it, and start chatting instantly offline. Just make sure your PC has at least 16 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Now, why do some say Llama 3 is better than GPT-4? It's open source, meaning more control customization and no lock-in. It responds faster on local setups. It's highly tunable. Devs and researchers can fine-tune it. It often gives longer, less filtered answers. However, it's not perfect. GPT-4 is wins in creativity, safety, filtering, and some reasoning text. But for many users, Llama 3 is the smarter, cheaper pick. Here are more places where you can try Llama 3 for free. From Hugging Face Chat, go to huggingface.co. Now use the Llama 3. Here you can see Llama 370B instruct. You can change the model from here. So now active Meta Llama 3.370 instruct. You can use openrouter.ai lets you choose between multiple models, GPT, Coin models. Here you can see the Llama. These platforms let you compare Llama 3 against other top models like Claude, Mistral, or GPT-4 Turbo. So to recap, use sites like LMS, Plexity, or Hugging Face. Try local installs if you want privacy. Explore Llama 3 power for free anytime. Llama 3 is a serious GPT-4 alternative, especially for budget conscious creators, students, and developers. Found this helpful? Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. Are you switching to Llama 3? See you in the next video.